Hi, today I want to show you how to put together this pretty simple Hanukkah candles card. It's a pretty simple assembly. I don't want to put a simple card. I don't have enough Hanukkah out there. So we have the card cut, and then here's the insert. That'll go inside the card after we add the backs to the candles to hide those pieces. So the first thing we want to do is to glue on these inside panels to have the backs of the candles. So this is the top, and they're situated in such a way so those little circles go down, so make sure you have it the right way. I could have looked at my texture because I had my texture facing upward. And we're just going to add glue with the fine tip applicator would be best around the actual flame portions. If you do like this project or any of my others, I would ask you very kindly to press the like button down there and or subscribe to my channel. I would truly appreciate that. Then right here we just want to match it up, so you know where the dips in the flames are. We want to just go right below that. And the way that I did this, you can see right there, is so the bottom panel, I have it the wrong way again, let's flip it over, it matches right up to it. So you just want to add glue around there carefully and then add that bottom panel. And you could do like a multicolored paper underneath there. Of course there's a lot you could do to add to it. I just showed you simply how this is done. It's just a really fast card to put together. So one of those cards, if you had to create a lot at once, it would be easier. I mean, the only exception is not that bad. Just make sure you have the right setting when you cut out the top panel, the Hanukkah panel. So there you go. So now we're going to add that insert. And if you have a lighter paper, the inserts are usually better with a lighter paper, not a thick cardstock, but I had this color I wanted and it was ACC cardstock, so it was thick, so I just made sure I folded it well on the bottom, on the middle, so I could just slot that into the fold and then align it to make sure that the edges are the same around, or at least close to it. Then it hides those pieces we just glued on. Then you can add your own sentiment in the inside. So a pretty simple card. And I was going to say, we're going to put this top panel on, the one thing I want to make sure you know is know your machine well. There are different settings that will do that cutout better with the letters. So Cricut has their own intricate cutting setting if you're having issues cutting the paper. Paper, the type of paper is always an issue, or cardstock. And I'm showing you the glue to glue this on. It's not that difficult. I kind of put a little glue around the letters here and there just so it stays down. But I do know that some people have issues cutting intricate pieces like the Hanukkah cutout, Happy Hanukkah cutout, on their die cutting machines. It's just usually a matter of you just getting familiar with the machine. So once you have this glue on, you just want to align it so everything's equally spaced around those candles. And that's basically the card. It's quick. You can add any additional embellishments or ink, whatever you would usually add to the front to bling it up maybe. I just thought it would be a quick, easy card for people looking for it. I did enjoy making it. It was an idea I've had for a while, so I figured why not make it? Well, I thank you so much for watching.